So it's been a while since I've done a video on this. I'm sorry, been a bit rubbish, but I've now had the gearbox in pieces, taken it all out, and it's now getting rebuilt. I've knocked up this rather crude stand to stop it rolling all over the bench for me. Pretty straightforward. I knew I wasn't going to do a technical video here because I'm no expert, but I will put a link to a really good video which has helped me get this far. No major challenges really, just a little bit of fiddliness getting everything back together. What I couldn't do was I could not remove this bit here, so the main shaft is still connected to the kickstart ratchet. I couldn't do anything about that, but yeah, I mean, it all seems to be working quite nicely now. We'll see. So yeah, this is where I am at the moment. It's coming on, albeit fiddly. The inner casing is now assembled, scraped off the gaskets. This still needs to be done here for this outer gasket. Changed a few pieces, gasket glued it up, cleaned the casings up as you can see, replaced the indexer, which is this bit here, and I've got to clean it again, got to clean it all up. But the main reason for taking a video at this point here is I wanted to just photograph and image the selectors. Now the manual says that the inner one, try and get this, these, there's 1, 2, 3 little selector things, and they say that the middle one needs to be in line with the primary shaft. So looking at that, I reckon, let's move this light, that is pretty much in line. Middle of that shaft, middle of that shaft, middle of that tooth. So that's what I reckon it's like. So hopefully when whenever it is I get this thing going, it will index properly. So that's in 4th gear position, which I'm very confident it's in because it's got a little indexer, and again you can just about see down there. No, you can't. No, you can't see it. But anyway, it's definitely in 4th place. So let's see what it's like. I'm now going to rebuild the kickstart and the outer casing and tighten this up. So then the gearbox will be done. So here we are, gearbox now assembled, kickstart done, and spring and final drive pinion. I've still got to open this up, put some gasket sealant on there, and then tighten all the screws, replace these. But I haven't done them yet because I haven't got the push rod, the clutch push rod that goes through. And although I think I might be able to thread it in there, I'm not 100% sure, and I don't want to do it all up just to find out that I've got to take it all out again. So it's off at the moment. And then that's the gearbox done, which is very exciting. My first ever gearbox. So the most frustrating thing about it is I'm not going to know it's actually working until it's in the bike and I've got an engine on it, but I've got the confidence now to be able to sort it out. Great, okay, so I will come back to this when I've done the final bit.